compass and temp sensor mirror in your classic. Simple wire setup. Definitely gotta go get you one. This is out of an 09. Let me get it down and I'll give you the wires to use. All right, this is a 16 pin because of being the 09. You're gonna use pin number 8, of course, because that's ground right here. Then you're gonna use pin 7, which is right beside 8, and then you're gonna use pin 6, which is right beside it. So you got 1. Let me get a little better view for y'all. There. See these 3 wires here? Those are the ones you're going to use. 8, 7, 6. 7 and 6 goes to your temperature probe here. It hooks to it. That'll give you the outside temp, what the temperature is outside. And then you're going to use pin 13, 14, 15. Pin 16 is your power. So 8, 16, 7, and 6. That's all you need for you to have the temperature control automatic dimmer mirror. Newer. This is out of 09. It does have a power button and it does work. That's how you turn the sensor on. And I'm gonna finish wiring it up. Maybe we'll get a video of it working. But all these others, I'm not worried about it. I kind of want it for the temp and the compass. You're gonna want to extend your wires. Of course, yellow, like those are the ones. The yellow and your green and white stripe is going to be your temperature probe for outside. You're going to want to place that temperature probe anywhere outside your vehicle. Like this one. Of course, you see this is green and black and black. Well, I do have the actual one to come off of this. I want to say it's the same color as well, but either way, it's going to work. I've already had it put together to work. This is simple, Simon. Like I said, you're going to want to extend those wires, run it over to a power source, your power to a power source, and then you're going to want to ground it, of course, and then run your yellow and your green and white outside the vehicle to your temperature probe. Go. Plug it. This plugs in. It only plugs in one way. Snap it in. Then I taped it all up. Ain't no need necessary for that unless you really want to. You see, I need a new headliner. In due time, I'll get one, but I'm going to tuck it all up underneath here. Run it all over to my fuse source. If it'll tuck. It might not tuck. We'll tuck it as best as I can. And then we're going to run it over down into my fuse panel. Power it up. Then we'll try and we got to major extend the wires for the temp sensor. Right. And just like that, we got it tucked in there. We got, let me turn the key on. And boom. That's the actual direction we're facing. I do not have the temp sensor plugged in or turned on at the moment, or actually plugged in. But for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and let y'all see what it's got going on here. See it? Southeast. And then it does, like I said, it has a power. We turn it off and go from there. And you want to hook it up to a keyed source. You don't want it on all the time. So you definitely want to hook it to a source that is not hot. You just want to hook it to a source that's key on. See, I don't know if y'all see it. Power. Hold on. See the green? Nothing. Green. Nothing. Green. Nothing. That's right. So we just want to make sure that we don't have it on a hot source. But I'm going to plug up this temp sensor just for the sake of this video and let y'all see that it works also. Not the temperature I was expecting to see. I just plugged it up. It's been in my glove box, so maybe it'll come down. I don't know. But as of right now, it says 125 degrees Fahrenheit. And we know that's not the temperature out here right now. It is actually a beautiful day. Let's see if I wire it up backwards. Let's see what it does. Let me wire it up another way, see what happens. thing regardless. All right, let me go get the one that actually came out of that vehicle. I'm gonna go get the one that come out of that vehicle. This comes from an 09, and that piece that I just I just wired in the temp sender. It was actually came from a 03. So I'm gonna go get the one that actually came with it and just plug it up. All right, there's more like it. I went and got the actual one that came with that vehicle, and look at the temp. Look at the temp. So, yeah, man, Simple Simon. This is a little flash addition to your older vehicle. Why not try it? You know what I mean? You definitely want to, like I said, those wires, number 8 ground, number 7, number 6, and then I said, was it number 13 for power? I think it is. You in there. Then your temp sender, you have to get your temp sender, preferably from that same vehicle, because you've seen what happened when you don't get the one from the right vehicle. But this is the temp sender from that vehicle, GM150358786. We're going to stick that outside the vehicle somewhere, and boom, we will have temperature outside the vehicle on the mirror. As if we don't know what it is when we're out there, but, you know, it just added a little flair to your newer vehicle. Or your older vehicle from a newer vehicle. And like I said, you don't have to have it on all the time. You just push power, shuts it off, turn the key off. Yeah, sir. And then I also added that to my the other one wouldn't work. The original didn't work, so now I have this one, and I plan on adding another one up here. So whenever I get in at nighttime, I know I need a new headliner. It's coming. When I'll get in, I'll have lights. You can see everything inside here when I get in. So, but that's a new addition, man, right there. Try that. Just like that, she's working, y'all. A nice little addition to the old school. Nice little addition to the old school. 09, like I said, this has come out of an 09. Get the plug to come off the back of it and get your sensor. And you got you said to be auto dimming rearview mirror. Pretty cool. And just like that, 57 degrees this morning. It is working. I will show you the location of where you can find the actual temp sensor setup off the donor vehicle. They are located in the front, in the grill. There's actually 2 of them, I want to say, but you only need one. So, yeah, man, nice little addition. Whether or not there's something you into, who knows, but definitely neat. The auto dim feature does work. You might not be able to see it right now, but as the lighting is darker on the windshield side of this mirror, it automatically darkens on the mirror itself. So, which is a plus. Auto dim does work. It is a lot darker, as you can see. See how dark that is now? And this is 5 minutes later than it was whenever I told you about it being 57 degrees. So, yeah, the auto dim does work. It's a lot darker on this particular mirror. There's a sensor on the windshield side, and it does detect, I guess, light to darken and lighten up. Get you one if you're into this. You know, ain't nothing worse than somebody behind you with headlights that just seem like they blind you. In this case here, I believe that it will take care of that feature, because older vehicles, you have to reach up there and turn it or rotate it, or whichever case it be, to get it out of your eyes. So, yeah, man, get you one.